She did the test, the bill arrives, and I see it there on the bill, and I said, how can the state require a test so that I am billed for it? The state is not paying my copays. And even if there's no copay for it, the state cannot use me as a means for the insurance to make their living. Why would it enslave me in such a manner? So this is very concerning for me. I called the insurance and asked them why it is that they would allow this kind of an evaluation that is mandated. And they said, well, sounds like you have a valid question. Let's call the provider. We called the provider. And the provider responded with a voicemail. I'll copy and paste it on my Facebook page so you can see it. They say that evaluation was mandated by the insurance. And the insurance said, there's nothing like that. We don't mandate any kind of an evaluation.